That sewage smell in your house isn't just unpleasant, it's a sign of a real problem. So what's actually causing it, and how do you get rid of it for good? Let's break it down. A sewage smell means sewer gas or waste material is somewhere it shouldn't be. Unlike a musty odor, this smell is often linked to plumbing systems, drainage issues, or contamination that needs to be addressed, not just masked. Every drain has a P-trap designed to hold water and block sewer gas from entering the home. If a drain isn't used often, like in a guest bathroom or basement floor drain, that water can evaporate, letting odor rise straight through. Plumbing systems rely on vent pipes to release sewer gas safely outside the home. If a vent pipe becomes blocked or damaged, gas can get forced back into the house instead, often showing up as a persistent sewage smell. A cracked, clogged, or backed-up sewer line can allow waste and gas to seep into the home, particularly near floor drains, basements, or lower-level bathrooms. This is one of the more serious causes and typically requires professional inspection. A worn or improperly sealed wax ring beneath a toilet can allow sewer gas to leak out around its base. This type of leak is often subtle at first, with the smell being the earliest noticeable symptom. If the smell started after a flood or sewage backup, contaminated water may still be present in flooring, subfloor materials, or wall cavities. Even after visible cleanup, residual contamination can continue producing odor. Air fresheners and odor sprays only mask the smell temporarily. Since sewage odor is caused by an underlying source, not just airborne particles, covering the scent does nothing to stop it from returning. Running water in rarely used drains to refill P-traps, checking around toilet bases for leaks, and confirming vent pipes aren't blocked are reasonable first steps. If the smell persists, the cause is likely deeper in the system. If basic checks don't resolve the smell, or if it followed a flood, backup, or plumbing issue, a professional inspection is usually needed to identify the source, since some causes aren't visible or reachable without specialized tools. If a sewage smell in your home won't go away, don't just mask it, find the source. Gold Coast Flood Restorations offers professional sewage cleanup, odor removal, and water damage restoration throughout San Diego County. Call 619-449-9611 to get it resolved.